Watch and listen carefully. Have your notebook and a pen ready to take notes. Later, you'll complete a writing activity comparing this to the passage you read in the previous activity. Lucy was convinced that cats made the best pets. She loved their playful personalities and the soft purring sounds they made when they were happy. Every day after school, Lucy looked forward to spending time with her cat, Mittens. As soon as she opened the door, Mittens would come running, ready to play or cuddle. Lucy felt a special bond with her furry friend that made her heart smile. One of the things Lucy enjoyed most about having a cat was how independent they were. Mittens didn't need to go for walks like a dog, which meant Lucy had more time to do her homework and relax. She loved watching Mittens chase after toys or find a sunny spot to nap. Cats were low-maintenance pets, and Lucy appreciated that she could give Mittens love and attention without a lot of extra work. Lucy also admired Mittens' curious nature. She loved how Mittens explored every corner of the house, jumping onto shelves and peeking into boxes. It made Lucy laugh to see her cat investigating new things. To Lucy, Mittens was more than just a pet. She was a companion who brought joy, laughter, and comfort to her everyday life. Prepare for your writing task. Summarize the key points from the video and discuss how they contrast with or challenge the main ideas presented in the reading from the previous activity.